Coconut oil offers a myriad of benefits, ranging from promoting heart health to enhancing skin and hair. Its unique composition of medium-chain triglycerides supports weight loss by aiding in efficient metabolism. Additionally, coconut oil's antimicrobial properties help strengthen the immune system and improve digestion by combating harmful microorganisms in the gut. Regular use of coconut oil as a moisturizer can also contribute to healthy, hydrated skin. Boosts heart health. Once debated for its high saturated fat content, recent studies indicate that consuming significant amounts of coconut, whether in the flesh or squeezed coconut cream, may not have detrimental effects on cardiovascular health. Aids in weight loss. Medium-chain triglycerides present in coconut oil follow a unique metabolic pathway unlike those of long-chain fatty acids in other dietary fats. They are rapidly metabolized in the liver, reducing the likelihood of being stored as body fat and contributing to weight loss. Enhances brain function. Coconut oil consumption leads to the conversion of medium-chain triglycerides into ketones by the liver. In conditions like Alzheimer's disease, where glucose metabolism is impaired, ketones provide a direct and efficient energy source for brain cells, improving cognitive function. Strengthens the immune system. The medium-chain fatty acids and monoglycerides abundant in coconut oil possess natural antibiotic properties and aid in immune modulation. Through metabolization, lauric acid and caprylic acid produce compounds like monolaurin and monocaprine, which disrupt the membranes of harmful microorganisms, reducing infections and bolstering immunity. Improves digestion. Medium-chain fatty acids found in coconut oil exhibit strong antimicrobial properties, beneficial for preventing and managing bacterial overgrowth and gastrointestinal infections. Maintaining a healthy balance of gut flora is vital for optimal digestion and overall well-being.